Hey everyone, Leanne here from Kingdom Blogger. So today we are going to talk about how to improve your affiliate conversions in social media. So, your blog is not the only place that you can put affiliate links. You can really share affiliate links everywhere. You can share them on every social platform. There's a certain way each one that you're able to do it, but you can share them in all of them. As well as if you have a YouTube channel, if you have an email list, there's just so many ways that you can increase the chance of getting eyes on your links, for one, getting more people to actually click on them, but also getting them to actually convert to sales. Okay, so social media sometimes is a little tricky. Gone are the days of just making a static post, dropping a link, and everyone's like, oh, wow, and they click and whatever. That's just not how things work anymore. Thanks to the push of video in all the social platforms. Number one, if you're not doing video format, if you're still just doing static post images, things like that, you're going to have a really hard time growing your social media presence. But let's say you have a decent following. You have over 1,000 subscribers on Instagram or more, hopefully. Ideally, the more followers that you have, the better chance of your links converting. But it's not just about the numbers. It's also about how engaged are they. So if you struggle to get likes or hearts on your posts, and you struggle even harder to get comments, to get them to actually engage, and you also struggle to get them to go from your social channel over to your blog or over to your YouTube channel or whatever your goal is, if you're really struggling to make that happen, then I really encourage you to take a step back and reevaluate the strategy, because it's not working. Okay. And so what you need, it's not about numbers, it's about how engaged, how connected they are to you. And so what happens is a lot of times we just get on social media and we just post stuff, right? We're not really helping. We're not providing a help. We're just sharing, right? And the thing with getting people to engage with you, to really relate and resonate with what you're sharing, is that you're solving problems, you're offering tips, you're helping them in some way with the content that you're doing. And this is the foundation of what's going to help you with affiliate marketing. So number one, do not just drop links, like whether it's your Facebook page or maybe have a Facebook group. Instagram, you can't put links in the post, but you can send people to your bio. And if your link in bio is just like a list of products, that might kind of be an issue, unless you've really strategically created it. TikTok, same way, link in bio. There's YouTube, of course, you can put links all down in the video descriptions. But here's how you get them to click those links. Number one, you should be creating videos that solve pain points. That starts with SEO research. SEO research for YouTube specifically, but you can't really do SEO research in social media. But traditionally, if it's ranking in video searches, so if you've used TubeBuddy to do video research for YouTube, then you can take that same mindset into creating short form videos for your social media. Pain point, how to keep kids busy after school. Check this out, mamas. I got this thing from Amazon and I totally thought it was going to be like a flop, but the kids love it. And like, show your kids playing with it. You can blur out their faces for privacy and things like that. But stop telling people to buy something or to check something out and start showing them how said product can help them, can solve a problem, can add value to whatever their struggle is, right? It's all about the show, not the tell. I should brand that phrase or coin that phrase, right? I totally just made that up right now. So, going live on your channel, whichever platform it is, or just doing short form videos, 60 to, 90 seconds or 3 minutes. I think on TikTok is the longer videos, and just use the products, like just show. That's why. So influencers, the big influencers, you always see them, especially on TikTok and probably Instagram. They're always like putting on their moisturizer and their lipstick, and someone comments, "Oh my gosh, I love your lipstick color. What color is it?" And then she can drop the link in the comments or something like that, right? Or send them over to her link in bio, whatever that page leads to. And so again, it's all about the show. You're not even really promoting. You're not like, hey, we're going to talk about this lipstick today. You're just getting ready for work. You're just putting your makeup on. So it's things like that, the real natural everyday. They call it the get ready with me concept. It's actually GRWM is actually an acronym that you should follow on YouTube and TikTok especially. But if you're a parenting blogger, if you're a Bible study blogger, and you found a really great study Bible, or a great devotional. Maybe you're doing daily devotional readings. Hey everyone, today I'm reading again from my, Walking in Grace, and then start reading from it or whatever. Or, hey, this morning I was doing my morning devotional and this verse, this really stuck out to me. And then talk about it and be like, and if you're wondering, this is the one I use, right? It's that simple. You're not like the video is not about that devotional. It's about your time and how, basically you're showing them a simple way to get in the Bible every day, or simple devotional that they can do, because a lot of times we buy things based on the recommendations of people we trust. And so if your followers are engaged with you and you are adding value and they follow you because you always have something valuable to add to them every day, then when you show them a product you're using, of course, in the scope of whatever your ministry is about, they've already built trust in you, and the buy-in is there. And so they trust your recommendation of checking out this product, right? And so instead of just going and buying something blindly, you don't know what it's like inside. If you've shown them because you're using it, you're going to get a much better response from that. So again, Facebook is really simple. It's not, you can drop links in Facebook. Don't drop links, drop solutions through your videos. By the way, guys, the link is in the comment section, or the link is wherever if you'd like to check it out. Make sure you do your hashtag ad and all that stuff to disclose that it's affiliate link. Same on YouTube. You can put links in your YouTube video or at the bottom. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can actually add info cards right in the video, kind of like right here. And that can be a clickable link to your affiliate links, but you have to have reached their monetization level in order to have that feature. But until then, you can totally just put them in the notes. That's how I do it right now. Now, TikTok and Instagram and any other channel that doesn't allow direct links, that's where you craft your link in bio. If you have an Amazon store, Amazon influencer account, or you have a stand store or anything like that, this is how you can get them over to it to check out and click the link, which now sets the affiliate cookie for them. So I want to say it's not that hard, but I know depending on you and your ability to really, I'm just an animated person by nature, and I can naturally just talk about things and naturally transition. I know some people struggle with that. The more you practice, the better and easier it will get, but you have to start somewhere. And these video content is so crucial to the growth of your ministry, for one, but it is vital also for helping those conversions with your affiliate links, or even if you're selling your own products or things like that. The video show is going to be much more powerful than just dropping links. So I encourage you, take a look at your audience, beyond just the, say your blog is all Bible studies, but let's say it is. So let's say it's all Bible studies, and you just did a new Bible study that maybe you bought on Amazon, right? You could totally do a YouTube video review of it, and then make little short videos for TikTok or Instagram or whatever, talking about said study so that other people can build interest in it, and then hopefully go check it out and purchase it through your link. It's really not, I would say it's really not rocket science. It does take a strategy, and it does take you getting comfortable with doing video and showing excitement. And most importantly, being natural about it, not making it look like you're trying to sell them something. As I know for many of you, it may take you a while to find that balance. We don't like salespeople, so don't be a salespeople person. So yeah, I would love to hear your feedback, your comments. I actually get quite a bit of traffic to my website from my social channels because of how I have everything set up through my link in bio and the stuff that I offer. And then when I get questions, how I answer them in the comments, which often they're asking specific questions. And sometimes that is an opportunity to direct them to my link in bio or something else where I have the links to the products they're asking about. So yeah, drop your comments below. Let me know what you think. If you have any specific questions about doing this, I would love to help you figure them out. Also, be sure to like this video. Follow us here at Kingdom Bloggers if you're not already, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.